Okay, so let's start with, let's go alphabetically. T, U, V, X, Y, Z, W also. Okay, so but let's start with T. Okay, if you look at chord BC, from BC you go this way, 40, and you go that way. Okay, so obviously T must be the same as 40. Okay, from BC. Go that way, go that way. So we can start by saying T is equal to 40. Okay, so what's our reason? BC subtends equal angles. Chord BC. Okay, subtends equal angles. Okay, but now look at this. BC goes that way, but BC also goes this way to E. You see the lines? Goes that way, but it also, if you start here, you also go this way and back, and you go this way. So you see there's a lot of lines going out from B and C. One of them is from there to there to there, another one is from there to there to there, and another one is from there to there to there. So obviously T is 40 then, and then U must also be 40. Same reason. U is equal to 40, okay? We're going to say chord BC subtends equal angles. Okay, so we got 40 here. You can put it in if you want to, and we got 40 there. Okay. Now we can say, well, if I look at V now, V goes to the center and out, and obviously from BC we go to the circumference and out. So if this one is 40, then V must be 80 to the center. Okay, circumference, center. So we can say V is equal to 80, and then our reason for that is angle at center. Okay, angle at center. So he's 80. Now we can look at, maybe we can now look at X. X. Now, if you look carefully now at the chord AC, look at the chord AC. That chord. You must always try to see where's the chords. Where do we have chords? AC is a chord that goes that way, and AC is a chord that goes to the center. Okay, so from AC you go to the center, from AC you go to the circumference. So that means if this whole part is 40 plus 21 is 61 for the whole part, then this whole part must be double that. Okay, so we can say X plus V must be 2 times 61. Okay, again our reason is angle at center. Okay, so this one is double that one. So angle at the center. Okay, so then we know that V is 80, so we can say X will be 122 minus 80. So then X will be 42. What we could have done also, that was actually the long way. The short way would have been to say from AB, from chord AB, I go to E, and from AB, I go to the center. That would have been shorter. So you could have done it like this, that was long, but the thing is, you won't always see them immediately. Sometimes you try this, you try that. So, or you could have just said, X is equal to 42, angle at center. Okay, when you start at AB, you go to the center, you go to the circumference, so it's 42. Okay, now we go to W. Okay, look carefully at W now. A chord AB goes this way, 21, chord AB goes that way. So AB goes this way, AB goes that way. So W must be equal to 21. Okay, so W equal to 21, and then again our reason.
Chord.
Yeah. Okay, the same as the and B, but now it's chord AB. Subtends equal angles. Okay, did we miss any? Y and Z. So obviously Y and Z must be equal because of the radii. From the center of the circle, radius to A, radius to C. So you can even put it in. When you're in an exam, you can put it in to help you remember. From the start, I've got a radii. So I can say that we can say that Y will be equal to 180 minus the center, which is 122. 122 divided by 2. Okay? The same for Z. Y is 180 minus 122 divided by 2. And then our reason, equal sides, equal sides, how do we say that? Equal sides, yeah, subtend equal angles. Just say subtend equal angles. Equal sides. Or angles, sorry, angles opposite equal sides. Okay, angles opposite equal sides. And then you must also say part of the reason is the radii. So there's two things, angles opposite equal sides and then radii, that's part of your reason, radii. Okay, so therefore it's going to be 58 divided by 229, and therefore you can say therefore Z is also equal to 29, and then again angles opposite equal sides, and then let's put it here next to it, radii. Okay, did we get all of them now? I think we got all of them. Okay.